Welcome back. I hope you're doing great. As a part of this video, we will understand the TCL commands through hands-on. I have logged into MySQL. In MySQL, I do have different databases. I'll see which are the databases and I will use university. Okay, let us check what are the tables in this. Show tables. I do have pets. Let us create one table before we start the TCL hands-on. So it done this multiple times. I am creating a table called students with 3 attributes: roll number, name, and marks. Okay, so these are the things. Let us go ahead and insert couple of records into this. So let us see whether the records are there here or not. Select star from students. We do have couple of records. Now what we'll do is we will set the auto commit to 0. The reason we are doing it is in MySQL, the commit is enabled by default. Since we are trying to see how the commit works, we are trying to set the auto commit to 0 now. We'll do that. Then we'll start a transaction. Very simple. We are starting a transaction because we want to do the commit. Now what we will do is we'll go ahead and update one of the record. For example, now if I say select star from students, I want to update Raman as C Raman. Okay, it's done. So if I go ahead and say select star from students, it is updated as C Raman. When we say update, this is not saved permanently, right? To save it permanently, what you have to do is you have to say commit. Okay, commit, then say it will get commit. So even though you roll back, it will roll back to this particular point. Commit saves the updates permanently, right? That is what is happening. Wonderful. We understood how the commit works. Okay, let us move on and understand rollback. Even though you say rollback, C Raman is there, which is the value which is there after update and commit is done. Means even though you're rolling back, it is not going back to this state because after update we committed it. Since we committed, it is saved permanently. Even though you say rollback, it is going back to the last committed state. Awesome. We'll see how the rollback works now. In a way, okay, I will set the auto commit to 0 again because we did a commit now. So what I will do is now I will go ahead and update the name. Let us say select star from students here. What am I updating? I'm updating the name of the boss as SN boss. Okay, this is done. Now I am not committing this time. We'll see how the update has been reflected. After update, we'll see how the data looks like. I will go ahead. After update, boss has been updated to SN boss, right? I'm not committed here. Okay, so if I say rollback and if I run, this gets rolled back to boss. A rollback takes the data to the last save point or committed state. This was the committed state, right? So commit saves the data permanently. We understood how the commit works, how the rollback works. Let us see how the save point works. I will go ahead, I'll update to SN boss because I rolled it back. Then I can save this to save point. Okay, I'll say save point A. These particular changes are updated to save point A. If you go and check this, select now, this is a update. This is a save point A. Now I will do couple of other things and I will say I will insert one more record. If I say select star from students, see one more record is updated. So I will say save point B. This record which we updated is the save point B. I will go ahead and inserting one more record. And what is this? Select star from students. Okay, I will save this as a save point C. Now we have 3 save points. So we are temporarily saving the update to that particular save point A, save point B, save point C. Now, if I want to get back to the B, in the B, we have only 3 records. What I will do is, I will say roll back to B. Okay. Now, if you see, look at the records, we have 4 records. If I say roll back to B, then it will go back to this state. If I say roll back to B, go back to this. Okay. If I say select star from students C, it has gone back to the save point B. At save point B, we had 3 records. If I do the same thing with say roll back to A, it will get back to the original state where we had only 2 records. This is how we can use the save point to temporarily save the state of the updates or DDL commands, so that whenever you want, you can roll back to that particular state. Awesome. We understood how the commit works, how the rollback works, and how the save point works as a part of the TCL. Please do practice with different examples. Thank you.